Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are fine. Hope you all are good. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Click the bell notification so that whenever I post any new video, you will be the first to be notified. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can prepare your party jollof rice. Like in this celebration season, honestly, this is gonna be one of your recipe for the celebration season. Everyone can enjoy this, and even they will even ask for more. Honestly, it's so delicious, it's so yummy, it's so tantalizing. Or you can relate when you prepare this meal in your own home. So without wasting your time, let's dive into the business of the day. Heat up oil in your pot and add your chopped onions and fry it until it becomes tender. Your pepper mixture, mix everything together with the onions, add in your tomato paste, combine everything together, and also add in your seasonings. You can make use of any seasoning of your choice, it's optional. As you can see, my tomato has been cooking for like 5 to 6 minutes. I will add in my chicken stock into the pot and combine everything together. At this point, I will start adding in my rice. I'm using basmati rice, but you can use any rice of your choice. So I will add it bit by bit and combine everything together. Then add in some hot water and some salt to taste. Then I will cover it and allow it to start cooking. So in a pan, I added a small amount of olive oil, adding my spring onions and fry the both together. I now added in my bell peppers and mushroom in the pan and combine everything together. I also added a small amount of salt to taste. At this point, I added in my smoked mackerel fish and combined everything together. So I added in some cheese cream and give everything a very good mix. done, and you can see how it looks like. It's so tasty, it's so delicious. Honestly, you will love to make this dish in your home in this festive season. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video, and see you guys in my next video.